Hey, I thought I'd take a few moments and shoot this quick video because it was just something that I came across when using the new conversations with ActiveCampaign. So our client here is using ThriveThemes for their site builder. Now, all their pages are set up as landing pages instead of using just the root theme page structure. So when we put the site code, as you're aware, when you go to get the code, it says that you need to put it in the footer of the site. Now, when you're using ThriveThemes, you may go on to the footer PHP file and put it in there, and then you go to the page and you're like, well, where is the chatbot? Like, where is this right here? It's not popping up. And it may cause you to have some frustration. So the thing with Thrive is that when you're loading an actual landing page, it doesn't pull in the global footer elements that are there in the site. So how do you get around that? Well, I'm going to show you right here. So I'm going to go into one of our pages in here that does not have the global footer coming across because it's built as a landing page. And as you can see here, the chat is not popping up. So I'm going to go ahead and click Edit. Now, if you're a Thrive expert, you may already know this, but there's a lot of newbies out there who may be using conversations and frustrated with this element of it. So once you load that page, and there's no rhyme or reason why you want to use the main one or build it in landing pages. I prefer building, especially if it's a smaller site, the majority of it in landing page formats, but just having a lot of symbol global elements coming through it. So once you get that pulled up, what you're going to do is going to go to the little gear cog on the right side for settings, and you're going to go to advanced settings. And then in here, you're going to choose custom scripts. This is where you can put the scripts specific to this landing page. So we're going to simply paste in the tracking code in here. And we're going to go back here and we're going to go to save and exit. Let's see if that works. Move my big head out of the way. There we go. Save and exit. And we come back. And presto, in a few seconds, there we go. There is the ActiveCampaign chat pop-up that shows up on the page. So remember, if you're doing landing pages, you need to go in specifically to the advanced custom script section and put in your ActiveCampaign tracking code.